It's a bad man thing.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is. It's 2 o'clock and of course time for another review. And this one is on a wig by Main Concept. If you are interested in purchasing the unit, then of course definitely check out the information for SOGOODSHOP in the description box down below. So I have no idea why, but I did decide to glue this wig down at the last minute. So I'll let this play out and then of course come back with some final thoughts. So I wasn't expecting these bangs in the front to be as short as they were. It made it really awkward to do like a natural, effortless style. And I think that's one of the reasons why I decided to glue this down. But you know how it goes with wigs. Sometimes you get a winner and sometimes you gotta make it do what it do. And that was definitely the case with this wig.
One time, standard. One time, sports baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh-wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh-wee.
So here we are with this wig, and girl, there's a lot right with this wig. There's a lot wrong with this wig. This thing here, this is a very comfortable cap. Really does not feel like a wig. Like, that is A+ for me. It's like the perfect customized fit. Let's talk about this hairline, bro. Now pause. Please understand, I am working in a very hot room with hot lights and no AC. So yes, the baby hairs are not slicked down as much as they should. It happens. This hairline is A1. It does take some work to get it to blend, and of course I did blend out some baby hairs. This is a soft Swiss lace unit, so you will more than likely have to glue it down to get it to look as natural as possible. Texture is on the thick, yucky side. This is a very thick, yucky wig. Love the texture. I like the color. I just don't know if I like both of these together with this particular wig. I would suggest this wig in a 1B or a 2. I would not necessarily go with this color. I'm not mad at the color. I'm more mad at the style. There are some short bangs in the front of this unit. I have no idea what the concept was, what the style was, but I do wish the bangs were considerably longer. It made it really difficult to leave it out without looking like a mullet. Girl, this is not the 80s. But other than that, it's an okay wig. I'm just not completely sold because of the bangs. So you'll either have to make it do what it do with the bangs, or you will have to get creative and think out the box with this wig. So yeah, it's more of a no for me on this one. If you are interested in checking out the unit, then definitely check out SOGOODSHOP's information in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know that you're here, and whatever wig you wear, whatever style or color, wear it with confidence, ladies, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.